This is the Senville LETO Mini Split AC Heat Pump, 12,000 BTU, 110, 120 volt AC. This is a quick video of the steps I used to install this unit. I had to order the 25-foot refrigerant line, along with splicing in an additional 9 feet into the unit's signal wiring. The unit comes with a 16-foot refrigerant line and 18 feet of single wiring. The unit is also pre-charged with enough refrigerant to handle the 25-foot refrigerant line. At the end of the video, you will see my parts list, most from Amazon. You will need a gauge manifold to assist in the pumping down the unit. Overall, very easy to install and works great and very quiet. You will be happy with this product.